Today we are going to deal with a very different question of limits. The question is limit x tends to 0, x cube minus sine cube x by x to the power 5. So the first step is to check whether the limit exists or not. So what we basically do is we find LHL, we find RHL, we equate them. But here is a shortcut. Limit only exists if it is of the form 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, any real value by a non-zero denominator, 0 by 1, 1 by infinity. Here we find the limit is of the form 0 by 0. Why? It is 0, x cube is 0 minus sine 0 whole cube is also 0. So numerator is 0 by 0 to the power 5 is again 0. So the limit is of the form 0 by 0. Here we can use L'Hopital's rule to find the limit. That is, we have to differentiate the numerator as well as the denominator till the time we get a non-zero denominator and then put the limits. But in this case, to get a non-zero denominator, we have to differentiate numerator and denominator 5 times. So this part will cause trouble. That is, this will first become 3 sine square x cos x, and then v form of differentiation will occur and keep on occurring, and that will cause trouble. So here is a easier method to do this sum. We know expansion of sine x is equal to x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 by 5 factorial. Now if we binomially expand this, what we will get is sine cube x is x cube minus x to the power 5 by 2 plus x to the power 7 by 40. Now we just put this value over here. So limit x tends to 0, x cube minus here x cube plus x to the power 5 by 2 plus x to the power 7 by 40 by x to the power 5. Here x cube and x cube gets cancelled. So limit x tends to 0. Out of all these terms, x to the power 5 can be taken common, that you will see when you expand this whole thing binomially, but I am telling, so you can just accept what I say. X to the power 5 1 by 2 plus x square by 40, and terms will keep on occurring by x to the power 5. So x to the power 5, x to the power 5 gets cancelled, so we have a non-zero denominator. Now we simply put the value of x as 0 in this equation. So all these terms will get cancelled to 0 and we will be left with half. That is the answer.